The 2025 XF retains its sleek and athletic profile, but subtle changes in the front grille and lighting signature give it a sharper, more modern stance. The slim pixel LED headlights now come with adaptive high-beam technology as standard, offering both aesthetics and improved nighttime visibility. Aerodynamic contours and a low-slung silhouette contribute not only to style but also efficiency, giving it a drag coefficient that helps with fuel economy and high-speed stability. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a cabin that speaks volumes about Jaguar's attention to detail. The XF features premium materials throughout leather-wrapped surfaces, open-pore wood veneers, and aluminium accents. The 12.3-inch interactive driver display offers crisp graphics and customizable layouts. At the center is Jaguar's Pivi Pro infotainment system with an 11.4-inch curved glass touchscreen that feels futuristic and responsive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air software updates and integrated Alexa voice control. In terms of comfort, the XF doesn't hold back. Heated and ventilated front seats, optional massaging functions, and a cabin air purification system elevate the driving experience. Rear seat passengers also get plenty of legroom, making this a legitimate executive sedan for those who prefer to be chauffeured or travel in style. Under the hood, the 2025 XF is offered with a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, available in 2 power outputs. The base P250 variant delivers 246 horsepower, while the more powerful P300 all-wheel drive model produces 296 horsepower. Both are mated to a refined 8-speed automatic transmission. While some enthusiasts might miss a V6 option, Jaguar's focus on efficiency and responsiveness shines through. The P300 variant accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds, offering spirited performance while maintaining smooth luxury ride quality. Handling-wise, the XF benefits from Jaguar's expertise in chassis tuning. With adaptive suspension and precise steering, it provides an engaging driving experience without compromising comfort. The optional configurable dynamics system lets you tailor throttle response, gear shifts, and steering to your preferences. Jaguar has also upped the ante in safety and driver assistance. The XF comes with a comprehensive suite that includes adaptive cruise control with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear traffic detection, emergency braking, and a 360-degree surround camera. These features not only enhance convenience but also provide peace of mind on long drives and in tight urban spaces. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Jaguar XF starts at approximately $51,000 for the P250R Dynamics A rear-wheel drive model. If you opt for the P300R Dynamics A with all-wheel drive, the price climbs to around $58,000. Add in some optional packages like the Technology Pack, Cold Climate Pack, or upgraded Meridian surround sound system and you can expect a fully loaded model to reach just over $65,000. In terms of value, the XF delivers a refined British luxury experience at a competitive price, especially when compared to German rivals like the BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, or Mercedes-Benz E-Class. While Jaguar's lineup is transitioning toward electrification, the XF remains one of the last traditional sedans from the brand, offering a unique blend of performance, elegance, and exclusivity. So whether you're seeking a stylish executive car or a comfortable daily driver with personality, the 2025 Jaguar XF deserves a spot on your radar. Let us know what you think of the XF in the comments below. Would you pick it over the competition? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our latest car reviews and tech deep dives.